Alright guys, RETROCENGO is back. I hope you watched the video from last week where we got 3 boxes of Commodore 64, 128 and Amiga stuff and Z Spectrum something. And this week we got box 1, box 2, box 3 and box 4 just delivered 3 minutes ago. Just carried home from my friend's car. As I can see, we have a lot of discs for the Amiga. And if you know me, if I know my YouTube channel, then you know that I love these old discs. I love to deep dive and check out what's inside these beautiful Amiga discs, like something. Oh, this looks like, yeah. Workbench, Toki. AGA package. I love it. For me, Amiga floppy disks are awesome, but we're all different. Some people like 32 million colors in Workbench, running with a Raspberry Pi, have zero Amiga experience, and play stinky PC games on an Amiga. Some people likes to use Amiga feeling like with an emulator and emulate PC, and some people likes that, and more power to them. I am in for the Amiga because of nostalgic love, nostalgic reasons. I'm not trying to go online with my Amiga. This is an Amiga 3000 or 4000 keyboard. We can see it on the connector. This is an Amiga 4000 keyboard. Nice. This is a Commodore 64. Nice. Another Commodore 64. Nice. And a lot of floppy disks. As you can see, disks everywhere. So very interesting case for me, but not for everyone. And down here we have a lot of disks. We have a Commodore 64 floppy drive. Over here we have we have got more discs. Oh yes. I mean, it's winter, it's cold, it's dark outside, and it's so fun to go through all these floppy disks. Let me see here. Oh, look at this beauty. The Amiga 1000. Den kreative computer. Oh, this is awesomeness, man. This is, oh, nice. So many colors on an Amiga 1000. How cool is this? What is this? These flyers, I love them, man. I love these flyers. Commodore 128. We have got Book of Games, 1987. Okay. That's nice. We have got a manual and we have got GVP. Oh, that's nice. We have got Commodore something. We don't care about books. Is this books only? Commodore, what is this, man? Is it books? It's just books. Well, this is good for the fireplace. Let me see. Is it books all the way down here? I think it's all books, man. Yeah, we don't want to go into all that. We have got a lot of Commodore 64 floppies, and we have got something in here. Oh, yes, what is this? This is the ZX thing. Last time I got 4 or 5 of them. And the rest looks like floppy disks, right? I think so. Again, interesting stuff for me, but not for everyone else. Woo, we got a, what's it called? Amiga 1200. We will place you over here. That's nice. I love the Amiga 1200, my favorite computer. We've got a lot of junk here. Let me see here. Okay, ZX Spectrum book. 128 over the Spectrum. All right. This is a Spectrum magazine with codes and stuff, junk. What is this? MS. Oh, this is for the internet. I don't know. What is this? ZX micro drive. I have zip idea about what Sinclair. Okay. Cool. Where's the Amiga stuff, man? We don't care about this. Oh my God, what is this? So much ZX. I'm so sorry, guys. I know you guys don't care about this. ZX 128 box. That's called Kempston. Oh, one of the manuals said Kempston, right? What is this? 128 system guide. 128. A lot of junk, man. Well, guys, some of you guys joined my Danish Facebook page, and I actually already put up all those ZX Spectrums for sale in there, and I'm just gonna edit everything and put all of this on that lot because I don't want to keep. This is maybe for the cassette tape for loading ZX Spectrum games. I think the run. What is this? Oh, this is about a floppy drive. The floppy drive was over here. Amiga Das Kli. This is the Amiga 2000. Okay, nice. Amiga hardware. Yes, a game. I don't know. 128. Man, this time is really boring stuff I got in, man. Books. Good for the fireplace, but nothing else. 128. So much ZX Spectrum. You have to control the ZX stuff. ZX madness. Oh, yes! I got this one last time. The 1581. I love it. I love it. A lot of 2 minutes to midnight. Let me see here. I'm never going. I mean, who in 2024 is gonna read anything about 128 Jane? You go in that. No. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. I love Amiga, man. This is the saddest video of the day. ZX Spectrum, more sadness. ZX Spectrum, so much sadness. So much sadness. The keyboard. No, this is a computer. Lambda 8300. Darn it, guys. Oh no, come on. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I'm so sad about this. PSU. I think all of this junk is for the ZX. I think it's something for the ZX Spectrum. And yeah, this one says Spectrum. Cura. What does that do, man? Oh, what is this? Let me see here. Sinclair ZX 16 kilobytes of RAM expansion. I mean, look at this. Why did you guys pack it like this, man? I'm so sad about this. Look at my beautiful Amiga 500. No. It's broken at the back also. It has a motherboard inside. I think this happened under the transportation. Isn't this sad, guys? Come on, isn't it just sad? Oh. And this is maybe the chicken lips model. I don't know, man. It's so sad. My beautiful Amiga. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. More sadness. ZNX. 128. 60 games and applications for the Spectrum. The guy that joins my Danish Facebook group and buys all of this ZX stuff, he will be so happy because, oh, please don't be broken. Don't be broken. I can't explain you how many Amigas I have got, Amiga 2000s I have got, and no, yes, this is the 2000 keyboard. Oh yes, this is the best find in the lot. Oh yes. This is gold for me, man. And the rest is just an Amiga, I think. What is this? Amiga 1200, guys. Backplate is missing. We have got something in there. What is this? No, it's just missing. One ugly Amiga 1200. I have got so many Amiga 1200s. It's just... yeah, I don't care. Oh, there's two. Oh, what is this? This is probably something ZX. I don't know. But yeah, oh my God, more books. Oh, this is the Lambda we have over there, right? ZX Spectrum. I mean, the Spectrum collector is gonna be so happy because I'm gonna sell all of this in one lot. Something. ZX. Are there any ZX forum on Facebook? Those people will love this. At 16K, we had the RAM expansion. Another Amiga 1200, yay. Oh my God. Oh, there's a... yeah, too many Amigas. Too many Amigas. Look at this. This is for... oh, let me take this one out. Guys. Oh, what, man? Why? Why did you guys pack it like this? Man, oh, it's the rubber things at the legs that just melted. Yeah, I think I got 5 Amigas. I bought this because I wanted on the first. This is video number 3. Okay, on the first video we got 5 Amiga 2000. Yeah, 2000s. And Amiga, what was it called? 2 Amiga 4000s. And I couldn't buy the Amiga 4000s because I had to buy 8 of these boxes because the owner of this sadly passed away. And this reseller store picked up, he said, about 1/3. There were just so much. He didn't have the room in his truck. So 66% more of this stuff got thrown out. It just got thrown out. Okay. So only 1/3 he bought, and he had it in his recycling store for some time, and he couldn't sell them. He couldn't sell jack. Okay. So when he got in contact with me, I wanted to buy the Amiga 4000s, and he said, no, nobody wants this. You have to buy everything. The thing is, he also had, before Commodore 64, those with, what are they called? Commodore, really old Commodore, man. And he was begging me, can you buy these also? Let's put a bit on the price. And I said, I don't know nothing about PET. I think they're called PET. And he got 8 monitors, Amiga monitors, all of them, the 1084. And then I said, like, 6 monitors. I don't want CRT. I don't have no room for CRT. But I told him that when I'm done with this, he's gonna send me some pictures, and I'm gonna put all those 6 CRT monitors on my Danish group so people can go out there and buy all of this from him. But as you can see, first of all, I will find out how much ZX Spectrum stuff we have got, and I will sell it in one lot. We have got 4 or 5 ZX computers. Also this lander thing and a lot of stuff for that and a lot of books that will be sold in one lot. And after that, I will start the cleaning process and I will restore. I mean, look at this. How do I take, this is goo. This is goo. Look at, it's just so sticky. How am I going to, I mean, I know you can just buy new keys for the Amiga. You can actually buy brand new keys. You can from a1200.net buy brand new Amiga 500 keys. But it's so sad that it's broken like this. Come on, guys. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. It's a sad thing that happened for this Amiga 500. But yeah, nothing to do, man. They're old, they're getting brittle, and if people retro brights them, they get more and more brittle, and this is what's gonna happen when you retro bright with chemicals, not just out on the sun. I mean, if you use chemicals. But the best thing is completely all these floppy disks. I love them. Amiga 1200, I just have too many of them. I have no excitement left. So yeah, 2000 keyboard, that's cool. 4000 keyboard, that's cool. The manual for the 1581 is cool. Commodore 64s, I love to restore them. Cool. We got a 1571 floppy drive again. That's cool. And a lot of floppy disks filled with games. All in all, a lot of cool stuff. Thank you for watching, guys. This is video number 3. We showed 7 boxes, and I only have 1 box left at my friend's place, and I will get that next week, and I'm not gonna film for 1 box only, so it's a mystery what that has in it. I hope, because we have got 2 power supplies for the sidecar expansion for the Amiga 500s, the GVP something. 2 of them, and as you saw, we had manuals in there. So I think that the last box contains at least 2 of those sidecar expansions for the Amiga 500 and some other stuff. Guys, thank you for watching. I enjoyed this, and if you're interested in some of this, join my Danish group, and I have put on a lot of pictures on video number 2. If you want to join, just check out video number 2, then you can see where it is on Facebook. Okay, RETROCENGO out.